Welcome back. It's homecoming day for senior politician, BJP politician Jaswant Singh. 10 months after he was expelled from the BJP for complimenting Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Jaswant now has been welcomed back into his old crowd. And as the party president Nitin Gadkari and senior BJP leader LK Advani welcomed Jaswant Singh back, they expressed a sense of relief at this development. Jaswant Singh said that he is looking forward to his role hereafter and also said that the humiliation of his expulsion has been compensated by the extreme graciousness of the party.
I am committed to doing whatever I can for national good, in which it is my belief the Bharatiya Janata Party can subserve a great purpose. That is the task that I have set myself.
बहुत प्रसन्नता है और मैं ये भी कह सकता हूँ कि हैप्पीनेस के साथ साथ सेंस ऑफ रिलीफ भी है और अध्यक्ष जी के साथ मैं भी उनका स्वागत करता हूँ और मुझे विश्वास है कि उनके सहयोग से मार्गदर्शन से पार्टी की ताकत और बढ़ेगी.
But in an exclusive interview to NDTV, Jaswant Singh has said that he still stands by his comments on Jinnah. So it doesn't seem that all is too well as it seems at the moment in the BJP. Moving on, just a day after NDTV Hindu brought to light how many packets of masala had worms in them, the popular manufacturing company has pulled back all the old stocks of masala packets in Pulyantopu area. When the family that reported the incident took up the matter with the company, they were greeted with indifference and apathy, and that's perhaps obvious. We're now joined by Peer Mohammed, who brought us that shocking report. Peer, thank you very much for joining us at this moment. It was a shocking report indeed, which sent shockwaves to the city, because masala is something that you and I and just about everybody eats and adds to the curries that we eat for lunch and dinner, even as women might just be preparing dinner in their homes right now. The fact that the very popular manufacturing company of masalas has pulled back all its old stock is some sign that that they are accountable and that there is the medium of media, or at least NDTV Hindu, which will keep track of things or consumer issues like this. But is it just Pulyantopu area which where they've pulled out stocks, and has there been an official statement from the company, or are they doing this drive throughout the city just to be safe?
Yes, Radhika, just now I spoke to the authorities in the masala company, and they said they have sent out a circular across Tamil Nadu to take back suspected stocks like this one, in which there were worms. Particularly the particular package which they sold, which they had mentioned that it is best for use for 12 months, but they had it crossed about 6 months and it had worms in it. So they had sent a circular to check all the packages across hundreds of distributed to hundreds of dealers across Tamil Nadu, and they will be checking, and they will be taking them off shelves if they found worms in it. That is the message I am getting now, and also they are trying to convince the consumer who complained to NDTV Hindu not to approach the consumer code, because it involves some 3,000 employees in their manufacturing company. That is what is happening now, Radhika. Okay,
Peer, thanks very much. NDTV Hindu will continue to track issues that matter to you. Moving on, we'll take a short break now. The score seems to be 65-5. So will India manage to clinch the Asia Cup? That's on the other side.